Guys, welcome back. In this video we're gonna unbox this mobile lens, so do not skip this video. Do not forget to subscribe, hit all notifications bell. Whenever we upload you would get notified, and we have added some of the images using this lens, so watch till the end. Without wasting your time, let's get into our video. On the top we have universal clip lens and some of the images. On the both sides we have some of the specifications. Too, we have some of the information. In this lens kit we have fisheye lens, macro lens and wide angle lens. So let's quickly unbox it. Inside the box we have nothing. Let's keep it aside. This is a fisheye lens. And here we have the macro lens and the wide angle lens. This is the wide angle lens, the macro lens, fisheye lens, clip, and then we get two lens protector, and we get a small bag. These are the things we get inside the box. Quality is made up of plastic. Inside the box you don't get any of the user guides and nothing, and you would get just a small carry bag and the lens protector. That's it. If you want to buy, the link is in description. If you like this video, give a like. Thanks for watching.